This holiday season, let's make sure your garage door is working smoothly and safely. At Brown's Garage Door, we've been serving Visalia and the surrounding areas for over 25 years. Whether you're in need of repairs, installation, or just a tune-up, our team is ready to help your home stay secure during the holiday. From garage door openers to spring repairs, we use the highest quality parts and provide expert service so you can relax and enjoy the season. Call us today for a free estimate and get peace of mind knowing that your garage door is in good hands. Happy holidays from all of us at Brown's Garage Door.